Alright, so this is just a short video reviewing reliable sources and why they matter and how you know it is a reliable source. We've gone over this a few times. I just wanted to clarify in a video so you guys had that available to you. So number one, when you use online sources, and this is actually the exact quiz, I'm going to go through some of the questions with you, not all of them, but some of them. When you use online sources, the number one thing to keep in mind is someone being paid to put this out there. And you see this with anything with a .com especially, but you see it with other sources as well. If there's any ads on it or any sponsors, that means someone's paying to push an agenda, whatever that is. So keep that in your mind. I don't think we have to go over this one. I hope we know that one. An author of a reliable source will do two of the following things. Number one, they'll publish it and it will be peer reviewed, or they will post their other sources where you got your information. So if you want to be a reliable source, you need to make sure you use reliable sources in your research. When it comes to identifying your author and whether or not your source is reliable, always keep in mind what are they trying to push. So for example, if Mars Bars is asking what their best candy bar is, they're going to be pushing out what their candy bar is. They're not going to be asking about other candy bars. But when others respond with it, they might not take into consideration those other chocolate bars. And so taking into consideration where the author is coming from, it just allows you or helps you realize, okay, so they're trying to push this idea, or this is what that author was looking at when they did this. I know that's kind of a brief overview. We spent more time in class on this, and we will if you come to one of the Zoom meetings, but if not, I hope this video helps. If you have more questions, please let me know.